Hello, let's look at the equation of a circle. Okay, so we're going to talk about the standard equation of a circle in a coordinate plane. So this is not like geometry formulas with circles. We're not talking about like area or perimeter or things like that. We want to know the equation of it. Alright, so what's important about the circle is its center, and we give the center to be at the coordinate point h, k, and the radius. So the radius of a circle stays constant. Right, so you have a center point, your starting point at hk, and you have a radius, and you're basically going to go to the end of that radius and draw all possible xy coordinates that are away from the center. So that's going to form a circle. Alright, so hk is the center, r is the length of the radius, and xy is any random point on the circle. So xy defines all the points on the circle. They're variables. Right? So the equation of the circle is given by this. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Well, this comes from the Pythagorean theorem, right? If I connect this make a right triangle here, this takes us back to the distance formula because r is the distance between these 2 points. The horizontal distance is going to be the difference between the x values, x minus h. The vertical distance is going to be the difference between the y values, y minus k. So if I apply the Pythagorean theorem, I get x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Okay? So you don't take the square root because that makes it a lot more messy. But this is called the standard equation, standard form of the equation of a circle. So this is kind of the most useful equation for graphing circles and figuring out its properties like the center and the radius. Alright, so let's look at example 11.5. Write the standard form of the equation of the circle with radius 3 and center 0, 0. So basically you start by writing its formula down. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So the center 0, 0, this gives you the h and the k values. And the radius gives you the r value. So we plug everything in. X minus 0 squared, y minus 0 squared equals 3 squared, and these will go away, and we get x squared plus y squared equals 9. So that's the equation of a circle with radius 9 centered at the origin.